Hey guys, this is John from VH800 Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. And today we're going to talk about a comment that was left on our video. And they asked, how will vapor honing clean carbon buildup on pistons? Will it also remove it? So vapor honing can effectively remove carbon buildup and clean and restore your pistons, your valves, and your components. It creates a slurry that gently cleans surfaces through flow rather than friction, meaning it doesn't damage or alter the underlying material. There are several advantages to using vapor honing for cleaning. More importantly, it also removes carbon without taking away base material, resulting in a smooth, uniform finish. This is especially useful when dealing with potentially damaged pistons or valves, as cleaning them thoroughly allows for proper inspection of cracks and other issues. So the key elements or the key ingredients to remove carbon buildup are two things. One is abrasive and the other is air pressure. In today's demonstration, we have two valves with heavy amounts of carbon buildup, and we'll show the vapor honing process in action using two different setups, the VH800 FL with glass bead and the VH800 Pro with aluminum oxide. So we'll compare both to see how effectively each one can remove carbon buildup and clean and restore the valves, showcasing the benefits of vapor honing in real-world applications. All right guys, so right next to me is the VH800 fully loaded. This is our light industrial vapor honing machine. It is made out of a high-density polyethylene, 33 by 30 by 28 internal workspace, so you can easily blast 85% of your parts. Outside you have your foot pedal control, you have your precision air regulator. This one has an automatic overflow valve, and this one is equipped with a closed loop system. You also have a wiper, and inside you have two LED floodlights with a window rinse, and obviously you have your blasting gun. Like I've said before, this machine is perfect for light industrial work. Great for a customer that dabbles in restoration, like motorcycle restoration, mechanic shops that need to clean or remove carbon buildup. So inside this machine, it has glass bead. Glass bead is a round and hollow abrasive. Primarily, glass bead is used for cleaning and restoring and polishing. So we're gonna try and see if glass bead inside a vapor honing machine can remove carbon buildup effectively and see if it can give it a nice polish and satin finish. All right guys, so right next to me is the VH800 Pro. This has basically the same components as the VH800 fully loaded. You got your precision air regulator, you got the foot pedal control, wiper, window rinse, and the two LED floodlights. You got the same internal workspace. The only difference is that this one is stainless steel while the other one was plastic or HDPE. This machine is basically a transition from the light industrial to your fully industrial cabinets like the VH1000 or the 2000. Inside this cabinet we have aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide is a more aggressive media than glass bead. It's angular. So we're gonna see if aluminum oxide can effectively remove carbon buildup. All right guys, and we're back, and as you can see, these valves look incredible. They look almost brand new. The vapor honing process does give your parts a like new finish. Like I said before, we tried two different abrasive medias to remove the carbon buildup and giving your parts a like new finish. Right here is the glass bead, and over here is the aluminum oxide. As you can see, they both look completely different. The glass bead gives you more of a clean and polish satin finish, while the aluminum oxide is a matte finish, sort of dull. From what I learned from this process is that vapor honing is definitely a good process to remove and clean your engine components, your pistons, your valves, because it not only cleans and removes all the gunk and the material, but it doesn't damage. It's a clean by flow process, total opposite from dry blast. Dry blast is very harsh. There's a lot of friction. With vapor blasting, it cleans your materials and it doesn't damage or alter them. So you don't have to worry about the heat protection being removed. It doesn't remove those materials. Another thing is abrasive. Again, we've talked about the aesthetical differences, but as far as effectiveness, I would go for the aluminum oxide to remove your carbon buildup, but it really depends. It depends on the severity. If you have light carbon buildup, glass bead can definitely remove light carbon buildup. Both these valve covers had heavy amounts of carbon buildup. When I put this inside the glass bead, it took forever. I had to literally bump the pressure all the way up to 100 just to remove that heavy amount of carbon buildup. But in the end, it gives a very nice shine if that's what you want. So if you're looking for a more aggressive media to remove your carbon buildup, I would have to go with the aluminum oxide. The pressure that I used on this was close to 100, but the abrasive did most of the heavy lifting to remove that carbon buildup. But all in all, the vapor honing process did a fantastic job at removing the carbon buildup and cleaning and restoring these valves. So if you have any more questions about vapor honing, you can contact us at 828-202-5563. You can also check out our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. If you're interested in vapor blasting or dry blasting or parts washing, we do offer free application testing, which means if you have a part that you want to send to us, we can do sample testing, we can do free application testing, we can put it in our machines, vapor hone it, dry blast it, parts wash it, and send it back to you and to see if this process works for you and your business. But overall, if you have any more questions, you contact us at 828-202-5563. We have great salespeople that could answer your questions. We also have a ton of videos on our YouTube channel about how to remove carbon buildup, about these machines. You can find out more about the VH800 fully loaded, the 800 Pro. Down in the description below, there are some links that will send you to our website. Also, we have videos about these machines in full detail, how to set them up, how to use them properly. All that is on our YouTube channel. So again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.